La Violencia, as they say in Colombia, a time of war that would roar for a decade. 5,000 casualties and more to come after the assassination of one of Colombia's iconic presidential candidates. A civil war between political parties conveyed through Hernando Tellez's short story is something no one can miss watching. I would like a full trim down the neck.
Yeah, who is it?
Senor, what's the matter? All these men are wasting their time fighting with the government. An execution will be held to kill these stupid revolutionaries. And these revolutionaries will view their revolution as their demolition.
I am a revolutionary, a man carrying pride for my people. Torres is my enemy. Wait, does he even know me? I think I should take my chance. Will he be threatened later on? Will he praise later on? Is this the right choice? Should he keep a peaceful life? What if he loses his wife and son? Will blood be spilled everywhere? How will the evidence be scattered? Will the government find him? Where does he escape? Do it. Don't 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 do it. Do it.